omanyete Dr. Fred Matiang'i naganeti abantu bakoleta chinguru ase campaign yae. Nande bakoleta passion, excitement and power ase campaign nande abantu boka baranya gukora igo nabasaye na incha singi nchondo mosaye nande naraeta abasaye Kenya ngima ase omoroberi oria Gen Z ndoche ngana bombwate chinguru ndanyare kubeka abasaye kuru chinsemo chia Kenya au gochakira Mombasa, Eldoret nimbachi network paka Kisumu tunyaye gocha amwe nde tumurigirie kirugo kyobo president asinga nchekero nkurigiria opposition. The only person obwate a track record was a performance record oranya okonya Kenya yaito Dr. Fred Matiang'i Bweka. So because when I look at the track record, even Ngozi Abonsi Nkaranga Matiang'i is actually the best president Kenya can have out of the options Chirito Bwate. Na chakira kubeka amo young people and anybody ototegerete orenera omusae gose nabo mugaka gosomo ngina lakini otaite goto support yase vuguvugu ya itoyogo support Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i anaweza kunitafuta na tuzungumze.